Hey everyone, welcome to the Schoology portion of the 5. Today we're going to talk about how you can have students log into Schoology through Safari and take advantage of the Immersive Reader application within Schoology. Okay, for the first step, you're going to select Safari, go to Schoology, and then you're going to go ahead and log in. Once logged in, we can go ahead and access Immersive Reader very easily. Take a look at this update. If we click on the top right where the little book with the sound symbol is, click on that. It's going to bring us to this page, and if we hit play,
Tech Talk using the Freeform app.
It's going to read what's displayed on that page. We can also go back, and maybe we got a course that has an assignment in it. And if we go to that assignment, we can click on it. And at the top right again, you'll see the Immersive Reader button. We can go ahead and push that. And we can have it
Poster. Create an informative poster illustrating the different phases of the moon.
From here, we can also tailor the text to the liking of the user. So if we're looking at, let's say, changing text preferences, we can change the size, we can change the font, and we can also change the theme. The next thing we can change, we can go ahead and have an enhanced comprehension of grammar options. We can break words into syllables and highlight parts of speech with or without labels. So we can change it to syllables. We can look at what the nouns are. We can find the adverbs, the verbs, and the adjectives. We can even have them show the labels. We can also explore reading references for advanced features, like picture dictionary and translation of over 60 languages. Let's try French.
Affiche. Créer une affiche informative illustrant les différentes phases de la Lune. Incluez des étiquettes et des descriptions.
Okay, the last feature we can explore is we can customize our reading experience with voice settings, which is right next to the play button, where we can change it to female or male voice, or we can change the speed of how it's read.
Phase. Poème. Écrivez un poème créatif décrivant la beauté et la signification des phases de la Lune.
I hope you find this new feature exciting and happy reading.